Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So a while ago I took a poll asking you guys if I should do perm rods or another hairstyle, I can't remember, and you guys all selected perm rods. So that's what we're doing today. I haven't done perm rods in a long time, so I really don't know what this is gonna come out like, so you guys need to bear with me. I'm hoping that this is gonna be a bomb look, bomb hairstyle that'll turn out good. So right now I already went ahead and washed and deep conditioned my hair. I use the Mielle Organics deep conditioner, their new one, from the rice water collection, and I love it. It always leaves my hair so soft. But yeah, I'm like super out of breath. I just got out the shower, and yeah, we're gonna get right into this video. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using. So I have my spray bottle. I'm gonna be using the TGIN leave-in conditioner, and this is from their green tea line, and this is their green tea super moist leave-in, which is almost gone. I'm gonna pair that with the Honey Whip hydrating mousse, also from TGIN. Full focus. And then to detangle my hair, I'm going to be using a denman brush mixed with probably like a comb or something, just to kind of get all the tangles out. And also you guys are going to need some clips. So make sure you have some clips, just kind of put your hair in sections to make it easier to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and just section my hair down the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and split this into 2 sections, and then I'm going to start working with that back section. So now that I have this back section, I kind of don't know the size that I'm going to be doing, but I don't have that many. Oh, wow. I can't believe I forgot to tell you guys. But of course, you're going to need perm rods. I'm using the orange ones. So I'm going to go ahead and section off the back. Oh, that might be too big. Yeah. I'm going to section that back part in half. And I'm going to start working on this bottom half. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair a little more. I'm so scared. I hope this turns out good. And then I'm going to go in with that leave-in. If there's any in here. And I'm going to put a little bit on that section, because I don't want it to take forever to dry. So I'm just going to make sure to apply it to that section, make sure to get my ends, and then I'm going to go ahead and detangle with my denman brush. The videos that I was watching, the key is obviously for it to be really detangled so you can get a nice and smooth curl. So we're going to see, hopefully that's what happens. I'm going to go ahead and part that into 2 sections, make sure they're kind of even. Oh, this is going to be my first rod. Now we're going to experiment with the technique, because I'm not sure if I want to start down here and roll it up, or if I want to start at the root and roll it down. So yeah, but next thing we're going to do is take our mousse, put like 1 pump, apply it to that section, and then we're going to detangle that section again with that denman brush or whatever brush you have, and make sure everything is nice and smooth. Now I'm not going to worry about getting like the little extra hairs back there, because they won't really be showing. Alright, so now that I have that nice and smooth, we are going to experiment from down here and rolling it up. So I'm going to go ahead and take my perm rod. I'm going to put it on the end. Make sure, oh, you see? I think I'm going to start from the top. It might be easier that way to just kind of. So I'm going to go ahead and place this at the root. And then I'm going to twist. How do people do this? While also still trying to keep it smooth. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and clip it. Oh my gosh. So this is my first one. This is not easy, guys. I'm gonna re-dampen it a little bit. Then I'm gonna apply that mousse again. We're gonna do that. All right. Gonna try this again. Take my perm rod. So smoothing it. For this one, I'm gonna try to do the one where you roll it up. So I'm gonna start at the bottom. Make sure to kind of tuck my ends up. I see people, they like twist it. I don't really know how they do that. I'm gonna start over. I don't know how to do it. I'm over this already. Okay, so I finished one side of my hair and my shoulder is hurting. This was not easy. I was switching between the two techniques, starting from the top and starting from the bottom. I think like if you guys can see, some of my ends are like not as smooth as I would like them to be. So in that sense, I think it's better to start from the bottom and roll it up, but then I still can't really get the hang of rolling it up from the bottom. So yeah, I just go over it with some more mousse and just try and smooth it out, because the ends are the most important part. So hopefully this comes out good. If it doesn't, then oh well, I just spent all that time doing this hairstyle for nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole section and then I'll be right back. I'll probably just do one more to show you guys one more time. And yeah, wish me luck. So I kind of figured out how they do the little, I'm just gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll my ends up just to kind of secure them. All right, and then I'm going to twist. I think I did that right. Continue rolling, twist, continue rolling. And then whenever I just want to twist again, bam, your girl did it. And then just clip it. Guys, so I am finished finally. I hope that it comes out good. I kind of look like a grandma right now. Oh my gosh, I look like a grandma. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Hopefully it comes out good. We'll see. An hour and a half later and they're still not dry, so I'm debating if I want to sleep on these overnight, but then I don't really want to mess them up. We'll see. They are still pretty damp, so that's why I don't like doing these styles. They take forever to freaking dry. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know that I did go ahead and sit under the dryer again after I took the perm rods out, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm just going to be using the Blueberry Bliss hair growth oil to separate my curls. The moment of truth. So this is what the curls are looking like after I separated it a little bit. And I'm just gonna come back tomorrow and show you guys the results once I pick it. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a pineapple and then just sleep on this for the night. Okay guys, so as you can see by this big smile on my face, I am loving the results. I honestly did not know how this was gonna turn out. So a few things. I kind of don't know which technique worked the best, so I am going to try this again. I just wish I had more perm rods, so I'll probably get more perm rods. But this side came out a little bit less coily, or more coily than loose curls than I wanted, but it still looks good. I'm in love with this side over here. It came out so perfect, so good. Few things that I've learned: probably not to put as much mousse, maybe use a little bit less mousse, because it did take a long time to dry. Like as you guys saw before, I took out the rollers and then I had to sit under the dryer again. Maybe that's just perm rods in general, they just take forever to dry. But yeah, I am loving it, and I definitely am going to be trying this style again. And I want to do flexi rods as well, so I am super excited that I finally got it to look good. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you guys think it came out good? What technique do you guys use? Because I was really trying to learn. Wow, I'm so out of breath. But I was really trying to learn the technique where you start from the bottom and roll it up instead of starting from the root. But I also need to learn a different technique just to kind of get my roots a little bit straighter, because they came out a little bit curly. So yeah, but that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give me some thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.